Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate IBM watsonx Assistant for customer support automation. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate IBM watsonx Assistant for customer support automation, start by accessing the IBM Cloud website. Create an IBM Cloud account if you do not have one. Log into your IBM Cloud account. In the IBM Cloud dashboard, navigate to the Catalog section. Search for watsonx Assistant in the Catalog search bar. Click on the watsonx Assistant service from the search results. Select the desired plan that suits your business needs. Click on the Create button to provision the service. Once the service is created, open the watsonx Assistant dashboard. You may be prompted to set up a new instance. Follow the on-screen instructions. Choose a name for your assistant and configure its settings as needed. Click on Create Assistant to initiate the setup process. Once your assistant is created, you can start building your chatbot. Select the Skills tab to create new skills for your assistant. Choose Create Skill and select the skill type you want to add, such as dialogue or search. For a dialogue skill, begin by defining intents that represent user goals. Create user utterances for each intent to train the assistant. Define the corresponding responses that the assistant should provide. Test your skill using the built-in testing tool to ensure it works correctly. Once satisfied, save your skill and return to the assistant dashboard. Link your skill to the assistant by selecting it from the list of available skills. Set your skill as the default skill if applicable. Next, configure your assistant's channels for deployment. Select the Channels tab and choose platforms such as web chat or messaging apps. Follow the prompts to connect your assistant to the chosen channels. After setting up channels, generate the API credentials for integration. Copy the API key, URL, and other relevant credentials for use. Integrate the assistant into your customer support system using the provided API details. Finally, monitor the performance of your assistant in the Analytics section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.